Hello students, now today we will start a computer system. This is your first lesson, a computer system. A computer system. Wait 1 second now. So let's first, what is computer system? This is the monitor. This is the monitor. Its another name is VDU. That means VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. This is very important. Visual Display Unit. So it is the another name of monitor. So next, this is the output device. This is the output device. Means our computer has three parts. First input parts, second output parts, and third processing. So this is the output parts, output device. So another, when this is the monitor, it display all things related to work and document and presentation of your computer system. So this is next. This is the CPU cabinet. This is the CPU cabinet. में एक प्रकार से बॉक्स इसको बोल सकते हैं. इसमें बहुत सारा चीज़ रहता है, जिसमें हार्ड डिस्क होगा, मदरबोर्ड होगा, रैम होगा, रोम होगा. दैट मीन्स CPU. 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 You are knowing about this one. That means CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. This is the processing device. This is the processing device. This is the CPU cabinet. CPU cabinet has many parts, like as RAM is also available here. RAM is also available here. ROM is also available here. RAM, that means random access memory. That means random access memory. Second is ROM, as you already know that read only memory. It has also CD and DVD drive. CD and DVD drive. That means CD stands for compact disc. And DVD digital versatile disc. That means CD stands for compact disc and DVD stands for digital versatile disc. That means CD and DVD drive. This means it reads and read all the CD and DVD. Mean it is also CD drive, DVD drive, and RAM and ROM. After this one, CPU has more things, like as hard disk also. Hard disk also means it stores all the data. It stores all the data in hard disk. It is also another thing in another device. So this is the motherboard. This is the motherboard. That means it has all the parts of CPU. That means CPU has RAM, ROM, CD and DVD drive, hard disk and motherboard. These all devices are available in CPU. So again, let's start from RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for read only memory. Read only memory. And another thing, CD, that means compact disc, and DVD stands for digital versatile disc. This is the full form of all about the our related to computer systems. So again, listen, video, that means the monitor. This is the output device. So its another name is video, visual display unit. Second thing is CPU. CPU, this is the processing device. CPU stands for, as you already know about this one, central processing unit. Central processing unit. It has many parts: RAM, ROM, CD and DVD drive, hard disk, motherboard. Next thing, RAM, random access memory. Next thing is random access memory. This is the full form of RAM. Another thing, ROM, read only memory. This is the very important. Mean anyone asks to you what is the full form of RAM, you tell to this person that is RAM stands for random access memory. Anyone, suppose that your parents, you told him that what is the full form of ROM, so you directly tell to you that ROM stands for random access, read only memory. Another thing has CD and DVD drive. CD up you can see at your home and any another places, and any shop, computer shop also, and in our computer lab also you have seen this one, that is what is CD and kaisa dikhta hai, and DVD also, but its difference only as the storage of CD is minimum between from the DVD. Mean CD has minimum storage and DVD has more storage. So CD has compact disc and DVD has digital versatile disc. Another thing is hard disk. Hard disk is very important in our computer system. It stores the data. It stores the data, that means before the knowing about the data, so you have to learn about the data. What is data? So we have to learn about the data. That means data is the collection of information. That means suppose that what is the our data? Our data, that is our name, our addresses, our district name, our स्टेट नेम, आवर कंट्री नेम, कंटिनेंट नेम, आप करते क्या हैं, ये सारा आपसे रिलेटेड कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन हो, दैट इज कलेक्टेड, सो मेक ए डेटा. So another thing is in data form, our images also stored in our hard disk, our any videos like as movies, any movies also, any audio song also, all things stored in our hard disk. Mean for understanding and knowing about this one, that all things who has stored in our computer system, so it is stored in our hard disk. It is stored in our hard disk. Next thing is motherboard. Motherboard, it is the devices of our CPU bag, so it controls all the parts of our computer's work. So next thing, know about what is another thing of computer system. So let's we start what is next. So Okay, next thing is keyboard. Keyboard. So that is the keyboard. So let's start about the keyboard. Keyboard has many keys like function keys, special keys, alphabetic keys, number keys. So this one has all keys to use by the user for creating a presentation, for making a spreadsheet program, documents. So all things. So a user needs a keyboard. A user needs a keyboard. So keyboard has many keys like as function keys. You have to learn about this one in next classes as in next lesson. So it has function keys. It has alphabetical keys, numbers keys, special keys, etc. Many more has. So this is the input device. This is the input device. Mean suppose that we typed any letter, we can create a presentation. We need to type any things, any word, any sentence, any line related to topic. So we need a keyboard. It is connected to CPU. It is connected to CPU by a wire. By a wire. So this wire connected to CPU using USB code. So our new word is USB. What is USB? So this is the connected to wire. It stands for Universal Serial Bus. It stands for Universal Serial Bus. So our new word is function keys, number keys, alphabetic keys, and special keys. So function keys has like this one: F1 keys, F2 keys, F3 keys, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11 and F12. This is all are the functions key. Mean functions key has 12 keys: F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. Mean all keys are used in different location, different places. All keys are useful. So our next keys is number keys. Number key, that means you know what is mean 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are the numbers keys. These all are the numbers key. So our next is alphabetical keys. मीन अल्फाबेटिकल आप जानते होंगे ए से लेके जेड तक होगा, मतलब ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच आई जे के एल एम एन O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. These all are the alphabetical keys. Means A से लेके Z तक. From to A to Z. These all are the alphabetical keys. Our next keys is special keys. Special keys like as plus, minus, divisible, reminder, multiplication, question marks, colon, semicolon, comma, slash also. This one also called slash and used for division. Asterisk keys also. These all are the etc. और भी keys है. Arrow keys has top, left, right, bottom. This is the arrow keys. Many more keys has control keys, space bar keys, backspace keys. Many more keys has available. Mean a keyboard has sorted out. A keyboard has 104 to 108 keys. Means 104 to 100 keys available in a keyboard. A small keyboard also available. It has only 84 keys. It has only 84 keys. 84 and 85. So this is all things about the keyboard. Keyboard, it is the input device. This is the input device. Means we can give the any input in our computer system. So this is the keyboard. Our next thing is mouse. Mouse. It is also connected to CPU by a USB cable and wire. So you know already USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. So it has three buttons. It has three buttons: left, right, and scroll bar. Left, that means when we click on left, so this work in clicking in our computer system. When we also click on right button, so this one click on right in our computer system. When you use this the mouse, so you better understand about the mouse and clicking the mouse in our computer system. So when you write and you listen, click on start button. Click on start button, that means left button, click on left button of mouse. And when we click on right button, so we directly tell that click right button, but we shortly saying that click on start button, so that meaning we can click the left button of mouse. It is the input device. It is the input device, that means we can use for input in our computer system. It is also connected with wire in our computer system by USB code. So this is the it stands for Universal Serial Bus. Universal Serial Bus. Okay. So our next topic, mouse is also available. So our monitor has also connected to our CPU. Our CPU by board. So it is also connected to a UPS. UPS. You know about this one? First of all, UPS. Uninterrupted. Uninterrupted power supply. Means UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. So it has a small battery for store energy. Means when electricity gone suddenly, so our computer systems will be switched off directly. So this is harmful for computer system and can be deleted many files, folders and crash our also Windows, any software also. So a user needs a UPS for few minutes store the energy and use for switch off. So it is also UPS connected to a electricity board and this one is connected to CPU and monitor is also connected there, means it is connected for displaying. So it is the hardware we use for store the energy or directly don't have directly switch off our computer system. Next thing, a hardware has printer. This is very important. It is connected to CPU. This is called the output device and came in hardware. In last class we have discussing about the hardware and software. So this is related. All things are hardware. So this is the printer. Now this time we can use printer with scanner also. मीन आज अवेलेबल है मार्केट में कि हम लोग प्रिंटर और स्कैनर दोनों साथ में होता है और उसके बाद क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग दोनों को एक साथ यूज कर सकते हैं. मीन स्कैनिंग फॉर इनपुट एंड प्रिंटर फॉर आउटपुट. मीन प्रिंटेड कॉपी इज कॉल्ड द हार्ड कॉपी. प्रिंटेड कॉपी इज कॉल्ड द hard copy and scanning copy is called the soft copy. Mean a page has in a computer system so this page is called the soft copy and this is printed so this page is called the hard copy. So this is the all what hardware, but scanner is input device and printer is output device. Next thing, again discussing about the all things. This is the electricity board. So let's start again device for this one, our computer system. Now we have discussing about all things our related computer system. This is very important. We have discussing about the monitor. Its another name is VDU. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. This is related to output device. It is connected with CPU and electricity board. That means there is have available UPS, so it is connected to UPS. Second thing is CPU. CPU has the processing device. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It has many parts. That means RAM, Random Access Memory, ROM, Read Only Memory. CD stands for Compact Disk. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disk and drive. So CD CD and DVD drive who is read the CD and DVD. So it's called the CD and DVD drive. Hard disk, it is used for store the data. Motherboard, it is the electronic devices in our camera system for control the CPU. Next thing is keyboard. Keyboard is a input device and it has many keys, so it is divided into part wise. So first is function keys, second is alphabetical keys, third is numbers keys, special keys, and next arrow keys also, and many more keys also. So we have learned this one. Function keys has 12 keys, F1 to F12, mean F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. So all keys are uses in different. Second, alphabetical keys A to Z, A B C D E F G H I, जितना भी alphabetical keys में आएगा, mean 26 keys has in alphabetical keys. Numbers key also 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the all numbers key. Special keys has many keys like plus, minus, divisible, reminder, question marks, slash, asterisk, comma, colon, semicolon, full stop. These all are the special keys. And control key also, spacebar key, backspace key, alternate, this is also belongs to special keys. And arrows key is also available. So left arrow, right arrow, top arrow and bottom arrow, these all are the related to arrow keys. And many more keys also available in our keyboard. Keyboard has 104 to 108 keys, and a small keyboard has 84 to 85 keys. Next thing, our mouse. Mouse is also input device. Mouse, it has 3 buttons: left button, right button and scroll. Scroll, that means our page from when we click on scroll, so scrolling our page from top to bottom, bottom to top. Next thing is printer. Printer is output device. It is also connected with scanner. So this is the input device. Now this time available both in one device, printer and scanner. Scanner is input device. Scanning copy is called the soft copy and printed copy is called the hard copy. It is also connected to CPU, and UPS has a use for connected to UPS. It has a battery. It is uses for store the energy and stop the directly switch off computer. So when electricity directly gone, so our computer system will be switched off directly. So it has many harmful, that means many software and documents will be deleted, crashes also. So we need a user needs a UPS, and UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Uninterrupted power supply, and UPS connected to electricity board for charging. When it is charged, so it is connected to all CPU and monitor. So these all things about the computer system. So let's summary what. So summary of today's class. Summary of today's class, very important. We have to learn about the monitor. Now we have discussing about a computer system. This is related to your first lesson. first edition. So we have to learn about this one, monitor. Second, its another name is, आपको भी बताया गया, VDU. VDU that means visual display unit. Visual display unit. Second thing we have to learn about CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. This is the, we have to know about this one. It has many parts like as RAM, ROM, CD, DVD, drive. So it stands for, आप पढ़े होंगे, अभी जस्ट पढ़ाए, रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी. It stands for read only memory. CD stands for compact disc. DVD stands for digital versatile disc. इसके आगे हम लोग पढ़े, क्या पढ़े, इसके आगे हम लोग पढ़े यूपीएस के बारे में, कीबोर्ड के बारे में. इसके आगे हम लोग पढ़े कीबोर्ड. कीबोर्ड हैज different keys like as functions keys, numbers keys, special keys, arrow keys, etc. उसके बाद हम लोग पढ़े माउस. बट माउस is also input device. It has 3 buttons, left, right and scroll bar. उसके बाद हम लोग पढ़े यूपीएस के बारे में. किसके बारे में पढ़े, यूपीएस. दिस स्टैंड्स फॉर uninterrupted power सप्लाई. इसके बाद हम लोग पढ़े इसके बारे में, प्रिंटर के बारे में. इसके बारे में पढ़े प्रिंटर के बारे में. उसके बाद पढ़े हम लोग स्कैनर के बारे में. तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने 2 चीज जाना. क्या जाना, एक प्रिंटेड कॉपी क्या कहलाता है, हार्ड कॉपी, एंड स्कैनिंग कॉपी क्या कहलाता है, सॉफ्ट कॉपी. These all are we have to learn now this time what is related to a computer system. Okay, thank you. We have to learn about next topic in our computer systems.